So, when we first look, I want to make sure that the absolute value is isolated, which it is. And I also want to recognize that it's a less than, because if it's in less than, then I know it's a conjunction, and I'm going to use the word and between them. So the first one I'm going to have is x plus 7 is less than or equal to 2, and x plus 7 is greater than or equal to a negative 2. And now I solve, so I subtract 7. I get x is less than or equal to a negative 5, and subtract 7, x is greater than or equal to a negative 9. Now, the reason they usually write this one here first is so we have them in order. So if we look at this, we go in order from least to greatest with x in the middle. And then again, when I compare the x to the negative 9, the big mouth is open to the x. And here, the big mouth is open to the negative 5. And then if you were asked to graph, we just go from negative 9 to negative 5, be closed and shaded in between. Alright, I'm going to erase this one and do letter B. Now, in letter B, again, it's a less than, but this time it's less than 0. Well, if it's less than 0, the absolute value can never be a negative. So there can't be an absolute value less than 0. So this is a nice one because it's just a no solution right away. And you want to recognize that right away because it's a lot of work if you don't recognize that right away.